Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some blackcurrant jam. So we're here in our garden picking the blackcurrants. We have got quite a lot this year. So I'm just going to pick it and put it into this pot. See, I've already picked quite a few. And look, we've now got about the right amount. They actually really smell nice. So I'll see you inside then. Okay, we're now inside. We want to rinse it a few times to get rid of all those germs. So I'm putting it in some warm water too. So we're going to start making the jam because jams normally have sugar in. Instead of sugar, we are using some dates. You want equal portions of dates and blackcurrants. If you want, you can add some chia seeds to make it healthier. So I'm just going to add them in at the same time. We're going to add bit by bit of water. We've got 150 ml here. I'm just going to pour it all in. Then we're just going to wait for about 5 minutes and come back to see if there's any difference. See, I've got a little zebra on my spoon. This is from Zimbabwe, from my auntie. Then we're just going to put the lid on. While I'm waiting for that jam to cook, you want to put the jars. I'm using these small jars. You want to put them in some hot boiling water and put them on a cooker to get rid of all those germs. And it's called sterilizing them. This is actually after 10 minutes. It's kind of like jam now. So we're going to add in the chia seeds. And then I'm just going to give it a nice big stir. The chia seed is to absorb the excess water. And we added the chia seed also because it's high in iron and boosts your immune system. So we're going to do a little test. Take a tiny bit of your jam and put it onto a cold plate. It should set. That means it's alright. If it doesn't, you'll either need to thicken it by boiling it for some more or adding some more chia seed. Look, it's finished. It's not running anymore. I'm going to try it on this oat cake. Okay, that is how to make jam. You can spread it on anything you want. We spreaded it on some oat cakes and we think it looked really good. Also, I hope you like this video. Watch out for that scone video coming that I'm going to do later on today. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like. Give it a big thumbs up and bye.